story is that it used to be a dish to resemble the pour. You fill the pot with the water and you just put sliced potatoes, onions, and garlic. Let it boil so it can reduce. You then put a pork and wine sausage that's been previously smoked, so it gives flavor to the water and creates a sort of a broth. That gives all the flavor to the soup. Once it's done, you take off the sausage and you shred everything to create a sort of a cream. After that, you use a blanched cabbage that's been previously made, and then you just add everything up, start building the plate. You slice the sausage and you put with the previously sliced cabbage. It has to be really thin so it can cook perfectly. You just add the cream has to be boiling hot, and it will cook the cabbage fully. You just drip a little of olive oil and you stir around just so the plate can be fully filled.